My husband and I needed to have our roof cleaned, and we spoke with our neighbor who had worked with Guardian Roofing in the past and highly recommended it. So we called Guardian, and a representative came out quickly. His name was, I believe, Nathan, and he explained exactly what they could do for us in terms of the job that we wanted done, that we requested, and then gave us additional information if there were things in the future that we might want. But it was not a pre-sale on that. It was just giving us information about what we may need in the future, which we appreciated. They came out on time, and they had sent us an email with an overview of what would be done and the date it would be done. And we both greatly appreciated that, so we knew what to expect. They came out and completed the job. It took a full day. And the best part was we had to leave before the job was finished. So we informed the representative that we were leaving, and he cleaned the gutters, and he cleaned the roof, and he treated the roof, and he filled 4 vents in the attic. He did everything we asked, but there was stuff all over the ground, bits of moss and pieces from the roof, the dirt and the grime. And I thought, this will never be cleaned. Well, we got home late and couldn't see the house. And the next morning, when we walked outside, the grounds were spotless. We were both so pleased, and I don't know how in the world he did it in this short amount of time, but I was impressed, and we would highly recommend Guardian to all of our friends and our family.